Hello, good day. So this is a demonstration video on how you can use the genealogy feature at your back office. First of all, ensure you log into your back office. Then at the left hand side, you click on genealogy. Then you see several functions. The first one is binary view. We'll click on it. So this is going to show you in the form of a binary tree, your downlines and the placements. So I'll go back and click on the next one, level view. So this is also going to show you, but now not in the binary tree, your downlines, the package, and the position. So I'll go back and click on the next how which is list view. So this is going to show you also your downlines and the generation. Zero generation means you're the one starting it. These two persons are in your first generation, and the last person here is in your second generation. So I'm going to search for a username. So you can actually search for a username to get the downlines. So I'll click on view downline. So for this username, there's the placement, there's the senior partner, the package, and the rank. Thank you for watching this video.